sponsorship deals for our Philippine teams, for wrestling and for basketball. Naghihintay sila, kaya pa yan. And we're ready to work. So if the presiding officer comes, magtatrabaho po tayo. At saka, ang mahalaga dito yung sa CA, kasi meron pala mga generals that are up for promotion na darating na po yung birthday nila. So kung hindi magko-convene yung CA, kawawa naman sila, di ba? Naapektuhan pa yung promotion nila at mababypass na sila, hindi na sila tapos na. Ibig sabihin, after their 30 plus years of service, they cannot get promoted one rank higher because we cannot meet the CA. So it's important we convene today and already elect members of the commission appointments para by Wednesday we can have a hearing on the armed forces of the Philippines na naghihintay po sila para sa kanilang confirmation. So
Sir,
we're just waiting. How long na mag-iintay? No, as it takes, we'll wait. Trabaho naman to eh.
Sir, any word?
Walang pasabi, sir.
Do you feel this is a
Secretary daw tinatawag ka pa daw ng CSP. So, hintayin lang po kami. We're ready to work.
Meron din kami dalawang third reading kay Matthew Ramos at si Benny Fulbright for citizenship. It's scheduled today and they're here. So we hope we can
Ano sir, pag
Sir, ilang minutes yung aantayin?
well, under our rules, the SP calls the session here. So without him, we cannot call the session today.
do you feel this is a boycott, Senator?
We'll wait for that.
Wala pa. Wait for them. Hintayin natin sila. Let's wait for them. Hintayin natin
Nangyayari
sila.
naman na nahuhuli. So we'll wait for that. Wala pa namang cancellation. Meron, basta force majeure. Bagyo, baha, pandemya.
So sir, if none of those, ibig sabihin hindi po valid yung...
We'll wait.
Let's wait guys. Maaga pa. Session's supposed to start at 5. Maaga pa. We'll wait.
You'll wait until what time, sir?
We'll wait.
Until?
We'll wait for them. We'll give them the benefit of the doubt.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sen.